Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice Starway metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the FX4 off-road package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that rear park sensing, tow hitch, blacked out Ford logo with backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front with a nice black hood deflector. We got front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, carpet interior with floor mats, flat fold storage system, heated rear seats with 2 USB-Cs and 120 volt with cup holders, and you do get some cup holders here as well and some arm space. And we do get a flat fold storage system, like I said before, and split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have power seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front with power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You got your auto stop auto start, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 66 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the vehicle ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with our speeds. It is collapsible storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with some outlets, and it does close. Got that leather-wrapped center console that does turn into an interior work surface. You can put your laptop here or your mail, totally up to you, with storage below. We also get our rear locking diff, drive modes, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, with our engine start-stop, heated and cooled front seats with that heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here, and looking here we have our park assist and hill. Clicking here, we have our backup camera, 360 camera, BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's self-driving on the highway. And back to our 360 view of our vehicle, we can go for different camera lenses. I'm just going to hit here. So there's our backup. You have your tow hitch, all that jazz. Hazards and traction. Above me, we do have our features for our rear window opener and our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Garage door transmitter, and looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM, phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz, apps in general such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA70390, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.